Big Four Ice Caves Trail. Here's some stats. Hit pause if you want to read them. There are bathrooms, but no fresh water at the large parking lot. The beginning of the trail is nice and paved, as you see here. Let's get started. You're soon going to come up to an intersection after a boardwalk, and you're going to want to take a left to the Ice Caves Trail. This is your friendly reminder that the ice caves can kill. Do not enter the ice caves, as chunks of ice can fall off and have killed a number of people in the past. At the recording of this video in September of 2020, the bridge over the river is out. There is a little handmade trail going over the river that looks pretty sketchy, and you should probably turn around if you're at all worried about making it across without a dunking. The trail on this side is pretty nice, although there are a couple of downed trees. At 1 mile, you'll have another bench on some uphill if you need to take a break. Approximately 1.25 miles from the trailhead, you will reach the end of the trail in a nice little clearing with beautiful views of the ice caves. With a reminder that you should not enter the ice caves, let's send in a drone instead. There is a side trail to a much smaller snowpack that in my mind wasn't worth the effort. From here, it's an easy 1.25 miles, mostly downhill, back to your car.